Hi, I'm Tom from System Q and I'm excited to announce our new ZIP CCTV firmware called Isense. Isense is a new and exciting artificial intelligence firmware for the ZIP range of CCTV cameras and NVRs, bringing AI technology to this established and trusted brand. ZIP NVRs with Isense and ZIP Isense cameras can detect people, recognize faces, and even compare them to a built-in database. You can even upload an image via the phone app and search for video of that person in the recordings. No longer do you need to search through hours of footage looking for people. Find them in seconds using Isense. These are your new Isense devices. New ZIP IP cameras with onboard artificial intelligence, and new ZIP NVRs with Isense technology built in. Though you can update the firmware on your current ZIP NVR to unleash the new Isense features as well. And it's the combination of both cameras and NVRs that really brings smart CCTV to life. As well as face detection and recognition, Isense adds vehicle detection, Alexa and Google integration, plus cloud storage to the already feature-packed ZIP NVR range. So let's dive in to see what it can really do. The ZIP NVRs and cameras can detect human faces in video and automatically save the image, or trigger an alarm, or send an email. This drastically reduces the amount of false alarms that you'd get, because you know for sure that a person has triggered the alert instead of a dog or a swaying tree or just anything that is moving in frame. One step past just detecting a face is putting a name to that face via a database. We call this next feature face recognition. The ZIP NVR with Isense takes your system to a whole new level by letting you create a face database that you can automatically compare a snapshot against to find a match. A shop owner may have a database of troublemakers or shoplifters, informing them as soon as one enters the shop. Another business may have a database of staff and use the ZIP Isense to let them know when everybody has arrived at work, as part of a clocking in system. How smart is that? You can then set up a positive image match to trigger events such as activating a relay to open a door, or a non-match to trigger an automatic message player such as the voice-off device.
Welcome. This area has time limits on parking.
Isense face recognition gets smarter over time too, adding extra captures to the database with a likely match percentage, which is a handy tool because you can adjust this threshold level when searching for someone to either widen or narrow down the results. Plus, you can manually add faces to your database using a simple USB stick, so it's handy to add pupils, staff, customers, known shoplifters, even police suspects to your database to see if you have a past or future match. Isense detects vehicles as well and can even distinguish if a car is stationary or moving to trigger events. For example, if a car is parked where it shouldn't be. With Isense, it's all done automatically. With built-in Google and Alexa integration, it becomes really easy for users to bring up video feeds on brand new smart devices. For example, you can pull up the video feed from a ZIP onto an Amazon Echo Show. Imagine saying, "Alexa, show me the driveway camera." It's so simple, even your granny could use it. With extra smart comes extra safe. Cloud storage has now been added to the ZIP as a convenient and easy method of backing up crucial footage off-site. We would always recommend having local storage in the recorder, as if your network connection fails or if it's too slow, you won't have any recordings. So by using the cloud as a backup, you have a superb, well-protected solution. Other new features on the Isense ZIP NVR include line crossing, perimeter intrusion detection, repeat visitor logging, and on the PoE NVR range it has a 250 meter LAN boost feature and will even tell you the wattage draw of each individual camera, a real time saver for engineers. And of course, the ZIP NVRs still record in a stunning 4K ultra high definition. So there's your introduction to the new Isense artificial intelligence firmware for the ZIP CCTV range. The key features of Isense include face detection, face recognition, vehicle detection, Alexa and Google Home integration, cloud storage, and more. Isense is available on all current ZIP NVR models, and there's a link at the end of the video to show you how to update the firmware on your existing installs. Check out the other videos in this playlist to see the new features of Isense in more detail.